Nutrition is the heart of a nation, yes. It's the engine of a healthy...
Zambia, with support from the European Union and GIZ, has started implementing the NIPN initiative, which uses the Lives Saved tool to generate evidence-based data for policy and nutrition programming. The platform is being implemented for the first time in Zambia. GIZ recently organized a Lives Saved Tools training in Siavonga, which attracted government representatives from Ministry of Health, Ministry of Agriculture, Finance, the University of Zambia, Zambia Statistics Agency, and the National Food and Nutrition Commission. The main aim of the training was to equip the NIPN Zambia core team in the Lives Saved tool for evidence-based nutrition data generation.
Yeah, so NIPN, or in full, the National Information Platform for Nutrition, is a system that helps us, to make, evidence-based decisions as a country. So it's a platform that uses data and it guides on how, both resource allocation, interventions that are required would have to be done. So yeah, so for Zambia being a new country, implementing the NIPN activities or just the NIPN initiative, we're very happy that, for the first time, in many years, we can utilize a system that helps us, to have evidence-based interventions.
Our role as GIZ is to support the setup of a NIPN platform in Zambia, financially and also technically. So mainly we are here for technical support, but thanks to the financial support of the German government and the European Union, we are able to also support NFNC and Zamstats in the implementation of NIPN.
The mandate for Zambia Statistics Agency is to provide timely and efficient data. Zambia Statistics Agency is a statutory body that came about because of the Statistic Act of number 13 of 2018. So under the Statistical Act, we are the solely mandated institution that produces national official statistics. So under the Act, Zamstat is supposed to ensure that they develop and coordinate a national statistical system, and the whole essence of coordinating the national statistical system is to ensure that we harmonize the aspects of data collection, because as you might be aware, the national statistical system is comprised of data producers and data users.
As NIPN Zambia, we are currently in the first phase, so we are setting up NIPN in Zambia, meaning we are strengthening the government institutions that we are partnered with. In the second step, in the second phase, we will be looking as GIZ to less technical support and financial support, so we are slowly phasing out so as that the government owns the platform. And in the third step, within NIPN, we are looking at regional support, so that GIZ is supporting technically, but from a farther distance.
Our role really is to provide and analyze data, because like I think other colleagues have mentioned, there are two components under NIPN. One is the policy component, the other one is the data component. So Zamstats falls under the data component. So we provide data that our colleagues in the policy component use to formulate policy questions.
We came to reinforce the capacity of NIPN Zambia core team and its partner in using Live Save tool, which is a tool primarily developed to estimate the scaling up of intervention, the scaling up intervention coverage in terms of number of lives we can save in children under 5. and it has been extended to nutrition intervention, to maternal intervention, and currently being extended to adolescent also intervention. In summary list allow to identify the most impacting intervention and allow decision maker to base their decision on evidence to maximize the impact of policy and program. So it's a strategic planning tool, an impact evaluation tool, and also an advocacy tool.
So for any institution to come up with statistics that should be recognized at the national level, they need to get, they need to involve Zambia Statistics Agency. So we help institutions to develop data collection tools. We also harmonize issues to do with concepts and definitions, so that we don't have data producers who have different methodologies in collecting the same type of information.
In NIPN, we put a high emphasis on capacity development, especially of the government representatives, because in terms of sustainability, we are promoting 3 dimensions. One is the technical sustainability, so once GIZ support phases out, the delegates, the core team, the NIPN core team, is capable of conducting analysis and communication products. And then we are also looking at the dimension of the financial sustainability. So we are targeting different funding opportunities and looking for different donors to support the further development of the NIPN in Zambia. And the third part of sustainability is the institutional sustainability. So this is where NIPN comes in as being anchored in the existing governance structure.
Yeah, so my call to the cooperating partners is that rather than using parallel data systems, NIPN has already shown us that there's a lot of stuff that goes in there, looking at how data is just utilized, as well as also how it informs policy. So we need to all come together and use a common system, because the moment we start heading the same direction, using the same numbers, then it becomes easier for us to implement as one. So all the partners that are complementing government efforts, in the fight against malnutrition, just in the food and nutrition space, it is imperative that all of us adopt, a system that will help us to move together and, benefit the Zambian people, because our targets are the same people. So yeah, we're making a call on cooperating partners to just come together and embrace the new system that we are, going to be implementing as Zambia.
Nutrition is the heart of a nation.